It was really good, guys. Welcome back. Axtuo's back. Yeah, me. I don't want to sound like a clown though, but it's gonna hurt my voice. Whatever. Welcome back. Axtuo's back. Yeah, me. It's me. Edie. Check this out. I have this '98 Toyota Sienna, and the handle is destroyed. All right. And I'm gonna show you how to replace that real quick. Don't forget to support the channel. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, don't forget to support the channel. Like, share, and comment. Your feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think. Alright, let me show you real quick what we're gonna deal with. Hello, kids. This is it. Alright. And this is the part. Oh. Let me take a sit here. Sorry for the background noise. Is it still recording? Okay. We'll get you over here. Oops, sorry. The part number for the slide door. Okay, this is the passenger side. Okay, that's behind the driver's side. Okay, this is the passenger side. Part number, the handle. There's a part number over there. Okay, 692300802OCO. It's just rather a part number. Alright. And here comes all this. Alright. So we're gonna replace this in this is a '98 Toyota Sienna. This project goes for those Siennas between '98 and 2003. Okay. So we're gonna come through here. And over here we now have to pop this. Grab this guy like that. You gotta pop this like that. Okay, there's a bolt here. Now once you remove this this bolt, 10 millimeter, you just pop it. Pop the panel door, just like that. Okay. Now you're gonna have to close the door a little bit in order to. You're gonna have to go inside. So you're gonna have to close the door a little bit. Okay, that much. So you can remove this panel. Alright. Now we have the whole chavinga van here. Alright. I'm gonna come out. So let's see. There's a bolt right here. You see it. There's a bolt right there. You see it. That one right there. 10 millimeter. To get to this one, you just gotta go through here. To get to this one, just gotta go straight to here. Alright. A dip socket with extension should do it. Now the connection, as you can see, it goes from here. Follow the line the cable, and it clips here. Okay, we're gonna get to that in a minute. Now we check the part, and all we gotta do is we don't have to disconnect nothing but the last thing, which is gonna be this guy right here. Okay. So we'll just pop it. Jeez. Oh, it's recording now? Oh, shit. Okay, my bad. So we're gonna come through here. Can you see that? Okay, good, better. I'm gonna lose it here. Like that. Alright. Now here. I'm just gonna pop it like that, pull it out. All right, now this thing is free. Okay, now we're gonna do the here. There's one. Okay, that should be better, right? Come through here. I don't want to trap it. Okay. Now this thing should. There. I'm just gonna drop it. I don't need it. Now this one look like I might need some sponge or something. But I'm gonna put it through here, like this. Alright. Put it through here, like that. So, okay, Gucci. Now, I'm gonna pull back those bolts that hold it. Am I Gucci? Okay. Yeah, 1 second, let me see. Oh, let me bring it down a little bit more. There you go. Better. Now, just gonna put it back. You know what? I'm gonna use this so I don't have to do it manually. There you go. Alright. Grab the other one. See anything? There you go. Should be good for now. before I put this one there, I put this one here like this. Alright. Like this. Put it in. Turn it. Like that. Just like this. Like that. Alright. That's pretty much it. Alright. Well, let's see if it works. There you go. Like new. Alright, let's put everything back now. The same way you remove it. The same way you put it back. As you can see, it's working really good now, guys. I hope you like this video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think. Alright. And as soon as I see it, I'm gonna reply. Okay. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. You know what time it is. Shout outs to my subscribers, shout outs to my fans. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the super thanks button. It's right below this video. There's a heart, it says thanks. Click on that, you know what to do. Alright. Support my channel, support my work. And yeah, catch me in the next one. Axtuo, Baidu, Toyota, 98, Sienna. The handle of the side door. Let's get it. Alright. Yeah.